In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with custom domain. This is an exciting way to manage your emails with a professional touch. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Gmail account. This is your main hub for communication. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to manage your custom domain emails. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, you'll see your typical Gmail interface with your inbox, sidebar, and settings. Next up, we're going to navigate to the settings. Look for the gear icon, which represents settings. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings. This section is where you'll find all the options to customize your Gmail experience. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings because they offer powerful tools to optimize your email management. Now, within the settings menu, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on it. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage how you send and receive emails from different accounts. It gives you the flexibility to integrate various email addresses into your Gmail, making it easier to handle all your communications from one place. Once you're in the Accounts and Import section, find the option that says Import Mail and Contacts. This is the gateway to bringing your custom domain into Gmail. Click on it and a new window or prompt will open. Here you'll be asked to enter your custom email address. This step is where you specify the email address associated with your custom domain that you want to use through Gmail. After entering your custom email address, follow the prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the integration. Depending on your domain provider, these steps might vary a bit. Usually you'll need to provide your email server settings or authorize Gmail to access your custom domain. Don't worry if this seems a bit technical. The prompts are designed to be straightforward and guide you through the process smoothly. Just take your time and remember that each step is crucial for a successful setup. This process is important because it centralizes your communications, allowing you to manage your emails more efficiently. Once you've completed these prompts, you should see confirmation messages indicating that your custom domain has been successfully integrated with Gmail. This is a great moment because it means you're now set up to send and receive emails using your custom domain straight from your Gmail account. With everything set up, you can now enjoy the seamless experience of managing your professional emails through Gmail. This setup not only enhances your professional image but also ensures that you have all the powerful features of Gmail at your fingertips. From here, you can go back to your inbox and start composing emails using your custom domain, ensuring that your communications reflect your brand's identity. That's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned how to use Gmail with a custom domain. Remember, this integration not only streamlines your email management but also adds a touch of professionalism to your communications. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.